I came back as a secretary in 1975. Of course, the school was different. The new additions were on: the library, the gymnasium, the kindergarten section, and it was totally different from what I remembered it. But, and they had bigger staff, but also it was only to grade 6. Grade 7 and 8 had disappeared. So that was different. It's my home, away from home, because I love the school. I'm very attached to it and to the staff. The families were wonderful, so supportive. And the kids that attended school when I worked there, to this day come up to me and say, "Hi, Mrs. Gleeson, how are you?"